Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andrew with We Run Guns, and today I have a pretty cool unboxing for you all. Hopefully it's going to be cool. We're going to find out because it's a mystery box from AR500 Armor. And they did a special this Black Friday where they went through and they only gave out 500 of these black boxes, and they basically cost $100, and you're supposed to get some good value out of them. Now, the reason you see an envelope back here is because there was a couple issues, I guess, in the packaging process. They forgot to send over an item, but they have excellent customer service. They sent over the extra item, and they also included a $20 gift card just for their mistake. So that was pretty cool. You know, obviously there was a little bit of a delay between getting one product and the next one, but you know, no big deal. No harm, no foul. So that's pretty cool. So already off the bat, I got a $20 gift card plus, you know, these two boxes. So we'll see how far my $100 actually gets me. And if you're interested, this is my Lightning OTF knife. I did a video on it. Best 30 bucks you'll ever spend if you're looking for a cheap, fun knife to play with. All right, so we start with that. We'll leave this on top here. So first thing we see, AR500 hat. All right, pretty cool. You got some swag there. I like it. Feels pretty lightweight, comfortable. Probably gonna be taken out to the range. It is made in China, but you know, we know the situation. Helps with pricing and such. Got some other cool swag. What is it? Stay in the fight. All right, pretty cool. Definitely going to be getting some good use out of this. That'll be cool. Use this when I go to the Keys or, you know, out boating, stuff like that. T-shirt is pretty cool. Let's open it up. Hopefully it's my size. And this appears to be a coupon code. Let me see. Yes, it is. So they just gave me 20% off. Maybe using that soon. Let's see, what do we have here? Durable, versatile. I'm gonna have to open this up and take a look at it. Looks like maybe a mag pouch, but let's check out the t-shirt first. So let me see what size. Hopefully large. Yes, it is large here. So you got the AR500 there. American flag, logo on the back. So that's pretty cool. I like the t-shirt. I'm definitely going to be using that. This that I put off to the side, let me just open it real quick. Hopefully this is kind of telling of what's going to come inside. So this looks like a nice high quality magazine pouch, probably for like 5.56 or 7.62 by 39, or you know, whatever it is. Looks probably one size fits all type of deal. Let's see what else I got here. It's another t-shirt. Awesome. Definitely have some new clothes to wear for the channel, so that'd be cool. And this one's more of a dry fit. I didn't even know they make shirts and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Let me see, does it have their logo on it? No. Oh, this is Condor. Yeah, so this is a Condor shirt. Okay, cool. That's why. All right, nice. I was about to toss this out. All right, cool. So some extra stickers here. So that's pretty nice. Let's see what else. This looks pretty familiar. This is a holster. Very similar to one that I already have on a plate carrier. Well, maybe not too similar. Let me see. This is from Condor, and it looks like a collaboration they did with AR500 Armor. So I'm sure this is pretty good quality. So shouldn't have any issues. And again, it seems like a one size fits all for like any pistol. This, I'm honestly not sure what this is, but I am sure that I'll be able to figure it out. But let's just put that to the side for now. This looks like a magazine pistol pouch, if I'm not mistaken. So obviously everything here has Molly on the back. And this will probably be for my Glock 17 magazines. So pretty cool. And I know they do really high quality stitching, which is a very nice plus for this company. Put that off to the side. And here's pretty much like the big thing that you're getting, which is your plate carrier. So that's cool. Yeah, I wasn't sure if they were actually gonna include armor or not. But, you know, if you think about it, it makes sense that they chose not to because of the weight and probably shipping. They could probably ship you more stuff, but still pretty cool. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the Veritas. Although I'll have to double check just to be sure, but I believe this is the Veritas. And very nice quality. You have, you know, padding here on top. Obviously you have this mesh here to help with like the breathability of it. And I believe this takes 10 by 12, if I'm not mistaken, plates. But looks like really good stitching. So very cool. And let's just see what that bonus envelope is that they had originally forgot to mail out. Make sure nothing else is in here. Cool. So set that down. Make sure I hopefully don't cut it. And this is just some of the Black Friday stuff that I bought actually. So I do have more Black Friday stuff coming through. So I would like to do some videos on those as well. This, I believe, is a cummerbund kit, which goes on the side. And it allows you to put in like side plates or to add other things into your kit if you'd like. So seems like a pretty nice like higher end, you know, type of plate carrier where you have all the features, bells and whistles that you would want. Although I think they sell more expensive versions and more expensive plate carriers, you know, still pretty cool to have basically all the fundamentals and everything you'd want. This, I'm not sure what this is. If somebody knows what this is, drop it down in the comments below. I'll have to figure this out. I'm not a pro on body armor, but not sure, but definitely gonna put this to some use. So should be cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything I got. You know, with all the swag and with the little mishap they had, everything worked out really great. I definitely feel like I got my value out of it. So probably I'll be joining them next Black Friday for their giveaway. And, you know, we'll see how it goes. But that's pretty much it. If you guys were curious what you get, you know, you're getting all these t-shirts. You get 2 t-shirts. Here, you get a bunch of stickers, patches, mag pouches, you know, all kinds of stuff. All for $100. You know, I thought it was a pretty good deal. So thanks for watching. That's pretty much it. Like, share, subscribe, and check me out for more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you all next time. WRG out.